Hello to all my beautiful and creative little animators. How are you all doing? Have you been practicing hard? I know you carefully drew all the movement lines and poses for the fox, the hedgehog, and the rabbit, and you didn't forget those gravity tips. Bravo for all your dedication. Today is a very big day. You know we're going to start building the first part of our exciting stop-motion animation. If you've practiced all the animation you've learned so far, the movement of the sun and clouds, setting up the forest, the hedgehog's steps, the rabbit's hops, and the fox chases, you can easily build the first section of the Little Fox Breakfast stop-motion frame by frame right along with me and bring it to life. Ready to go? Then let's go set the scene and get the camera ready to capture the very first frames. Okay, let's go set the scene. To arrange our forest set, we'll need some cardboard, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. Just like me, draw small hills on your green cardboard and cut them out with scissors. Now we also need cougar hills. Now let's start placing them. First, a blue piece of cardboard for the sky. Then we put down our hills that we made with the green cardboard. Now we'll place the rest of our objects, like our rabbit, the cute clouds, the trees. You should also make lots of trees for your forest. Now it's the hedgehog's turn, along with more trees and hills. Let me just tidy these up a little bit. Here's the cloud and the sun with its rays. Over here we have the tuna Karen, the carrot, wow, what a cute little forest! I'm so excited to animate these characters and food items. Okay, now that we've seen what we've made, let's start building the story section by section. First up is the sun and the clouds. Bring your blue cardboard, the sun, and the clouds, and arrange them neatly. Now, just like before, you need to stick a small, thick piece of foam or craft adhesive under the clouds so they move easily when we animate. Now that we've built his den, he's here too. Let's animate. Move the fox and build the movements frame by frame, just like I'm doing. Now we need to first build the fox's den. We bring a brown piece of cardboard and a maroon one. Right, just like me and following our roadmap, you know how the sun and clouds move. And here's the animation. It turned out cute, didn't it? And that's the fox animation. If you like this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon too so you don't miss the next parts. Goodbye!